I'm gonna adjust that servo and stuff later, but that's the front end put back together. Replaced it with the RC Max one-piece bulkhead and then the shock tower brace. So got that going. All right, guys, Sweaty Potato Meyer RC back in the house here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna start disassembly on this. I'm just gonna do, step by step or whatever, and show you how I take apart, the back half to get the transmission out, because we got to pull the transmission to put the lay shaft in and all that stuff. So why don't we go ahead and start, and we will get at it. But I got a little trick going on, and I got this. One of my subscribers mentioned that they do this and they stick the gear in here. And or maybe it's either way. To tighten it, it's one way, and to loosen it, it's the other. So yeah, we'll go this way to loosen it. And it just holds the gear. That because what I was doing is putting a pair of channel locks on the gear, and as far as marring the gear up, minimum it was probably doing, but I like that little trick one of my subs showed me, so just kind of wanted to show everybody that. So I do listen to my sub, or not my subs, or I don't even know if he was a subscriber, but I do listen to, comments on my videos and stuff, guys, so. Back up there with the gearing, slide this back off. Put it over here. Now we can get to this stuff. So. Then what I'm going to do here, guys, I'm going to show you another secret, okay? So, 1/4-inch drive socket. A lot of you guys probably already know this, but 1/4-inch drive socket will fit these bits that go into a screwdriver. So that's a 3mm bit, so helps you to get a better angle on it and all that stuff, in my opinion. There we go. I say that and then it just rounds it out. Because it just rounded. I don't know, I'll try heating it up. I don't know how heat's going to do with carbon fibers. So. I think it's burning it. Let's see what we got now. Yeah, we're gonna slot that baby with the Dremel. All right, guys, I had to get my Dremel set up to put a slit in this screw. And so that's what I'm about to do here. Okay, now we'll see if we can do anything with it. Not quite, but I'm looking for my bigger screwdriver. So we got this bad boy right here. That might still not be enough. Go in a little bit more. There we go. Right now what I'm doing is I'm drilling this out, and I got the drill bit just the right size to take care of this this bevel part on the just the same size as the threads is what the drill bit is. So it just only takes off that part, and so I can get this plate off, and I'll still have a little bit of bolt sticking out so I can screw out with vice grips. So that's what I'm doing, guys. I'll be back when I get it done. All right, guys, I got done drilling it. As you can see, I drilled out just the flange part, so there's only the bolt, the screw left in there. So now we're gonna dock you guys back up, and we'll get that piece taken off and get all that stuff going. So let me dock you, and we'll be right back. All right, here we go. Dock back up. We're gonna work on this and see if we can't get this taken care of and kind of pulled out of here. I might have to drill it a little bit more. I don't know. Nope. Here we go. See? Man, we should be able to. There we go. And that's how you drill it out. Yeah, I don't know if I have enough there to grab onto. All right, so this video doesn't get too extravagantly long. I'm just gonna, we'll worry about this later. I'll go through how I extract that later, because I got an idea coming on, but I got to get my Dremel in here, and I don't want to be close to all this other stuff. So we're just going to go ahead and go with the task at hand, and that is disassembly for the lathe shaft. So this video is going to definitely be a series. So part 1, part 2, maybe part 3. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go underneath and get the wheelie bar bolts loose. I'll go ahead and get this out of the way. There we go. That long part. And then, so we don't have to worry about that hinge pin. We'll do that one. Right. Okay, so switch over to the socket. Well, okay. Set the hinge pin over there. Look out. Yeah, we don't worry about that. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to work on getting that one out. So yeah, we're gonna take this out off camera. Okay, so now we got the carrier. Look at there. Wow. I think the tranny is going to be a little easier to pull too, guys. Go ahead and set that up there. Set this over here. Okay, so now we got that. So I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it snapped it right there where it gets, where it, like I said, reduces in size before it goes into the training, or comes out of the training, whatever you want to say. So now we're looking at 2 more 3mm bolts. Let's see if we can get her out of here. There we go. Like I said, it busted right there. So we'll get that replaced. FedEx is supposed to be here with my lay shaft today, so otherwise we just keep going. But FedEx hasn't showed up today. It's Sunday, and they're supposed to be here by 8 p.m. So we'll see how that works. So, and then the hinge pin, it appears it is slightly bent, but that's no big deal. I can straighten that easy. So hopefully I can just get it off the pin. So all right, guys, we're back here, and what I have done is I've gotten everything out of the way, as you can see, and then I slotted this bolt, you know, what was sticking out of it, you know, just in the same fashion I did before. And so we're gonna see if it comes out, and it feels like it's coming out really easy because it's kind of hot right now. I just got done cutting on it. So here we go. Stinking thing. And so that's how, you know, I remove these things. So out with stainless, in with 10.9. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one.